The roof.
Nah, down two, but one's fucking moving around.
Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Flash out!
Your teammates done in. They're returning to base.
No time to move.
Terrorised him. One circle like the most. Right, lad, where do you want to go? We need guns.
About all, you know.
Circles coming in right to decon zone. Load up, drop. Where's that going? Yeah, get the loady D, lad. Oh shit, never mind. There's people on the roof. Naz is not on the roof. He's dropped down. Right, there's a
assault rifle.
Ground patrol. No, not that. And I'm actually a Cooper G. Coop. Oh, get me up. Quick.
Do another?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, there's a couple.
You will leave. Come with me.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Right, I reckon we push.
Enemy soldier incoming.
People there, bro.
Yeah, right, we'll keep coming, mate.
Wait, who's going? Oh, it's behind us as well.
What?
People behind us in that room, through that window. Oh, no bullets, dude.
There's a shell break in the
Someone through the window.
Oh, he's there again.
Can't Avis.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Still there.
Team live.
I have no clue.
Right, well, let's push to out my thing there, lad.
Redeploying to the AO.
There's loads there.
Right, I tell you what, let's do Matt a favour and let's wait here for Matt. Let Matt get his loaded G and what have you not.
Yeah, true.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Going back to cover.
Get in here, Matt. Right, come on, Coop, let's go and regroup with Matt.
I'm getting shot at.
I don't know where from. Oh, we'll be at top.
Let's take it.
Right, Coop, come on, G, push me. We need to play the circle right now.
Wait, there's people on me, G.
Yeah, I know, but I'm fucking. That's why I said push for me quick, innit?
Windows closing. Get to safety.
Come in.
Rapid. I've only got a Mac 10 and a sniper.
Yeah, it's right that I've only got a fucking assault rifle. Right, let me just get me out of beat out in a minute. No one's showing up so far.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Come on, Coop, on in here, Jake.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
No, I don't.
Right, you've got enough. Go and get Matt in while you're there, G.
Wait, it might be. Hot shot.
Right, now push to one. There's one at the end of decon. Come to mine, Coop, because it's risky for you right now if I go there.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
You getting bio or two?
Okay, Axel. Send the flyer.
Yeah, we can do actually. Right, get Matt back in. I'll meet you on top of bio, lad.
Yeah, man.
How's no one even come to here yet? Right, Matt, straight to bio weapons. I don't know whether there's guns
Enemy
here.
UAV overhead.
You might be able to see something, do you know what I mean?
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Let's get a W, boys. First game and that. Come on, pop your head out. Right, there's someone over there.
Mark out. Moving.
Gonna reload back
Gas
up,
is
boys.
inbound.
We've got to have our more, got to push back in now. Oh shit.
I'll go this way.
Right, we'll keep on the right side. I've got an eye left, yeah?
Come on.
Come on, wait, you come. Where's that from?
In that little tower.
Yeah, he's just jumped down, innit? Right, there's going to be people coming from our left as well. So let me get on top. Yeah, I've got an eye on the one.
Going this way.
Enemy soldier incoming. Gas is closing. Get to the new
Cluster
safe
strike.
zone. Enemy cluster strike incoming. Take cover.
Did anyone get him that come on through? Right, well there's someone right near our building there.
Shots! You must get up!
Tally one.
He's down here, boys. Oh shit.
Contact!
Hammering up.
Gas is inbound.
I'll tell you what, let me just try and do this.
Sending a charge.
Why you want me to do?
Why is my C4's not going off? What? My C4's ain't even, what the fuck? Wow, game's fucked, lad. Right, 26 metres.
I'll go this way.
Yeah, no.
I'll go this way.
Mark
Right,
out.
is it
Moving.
window here?
Shots! Come, let's get you up.
Right, it's 3v3, boys.
Yeah, they're coming up to you.
Yeah, they're underneath us and all that.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
We're going.
Gas is inbound.
We should move to the safe zone.
Yeah, they're right underneath us.
Right, get straight onto that right hand side
this
there,
way.
boys.
I'm on the fire!
5 targets remain. Let's get it done.
Who's down?
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone. Gas is
Played
closing
group,
in.
lad. Right, they're both
Underneath
underneath
me.
over here, lad.
Mark out. Moving.
Oh,
And I think they're separate teams as well.
we've got the roof on. Hi, I'm needy.
That's a win. You took what was yours and made them pay.
Yeah.
Do you know know what, it was a good game, we played well, but we didn't get that many kills if I'm honest. But all in all, real game, good idea. Do you like some back?